Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef biryani, only way. Start by trimming the beef and cutting uniform pieces, then combine yogurt, garam masala, chili, ginger, and garlic for a rich marinade. Massage spices into the meat and refrigerate, letting flavors meld. While beef rests, rinse and soak basmati rice, toast whole spices lightly, and prepare fried onions and fresh herbs to layer during the final dum. In this video, I will explain how to make beef biryani, only way. Rinse basmati rice until clear, then soak for 30 minutes to relax the grains and improve texture. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil with whole spices and parboil the rice until it is 3/4 cooked, not mushy. Drain rice well, spread on a tray to stop cooking, and set aside for layering with the marinated beef. In this video, I will review how to make beef biryani, only way. If you are enjoying the tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which uses voice control to tidy crumbs and spills while you cook. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make beef biryani, only way. Arrange layers thoughtfully, starting with a base of spiced meat, adding fried onions, cilantro, mint, and dollops of ghee between rice layers. Cover the pot securely and use a heat diffuser or very low flame to create gentle steam, allowing flavors to marry during dum. Check for tenderness, fluff rice gently, and rest briefly before serving to let juices redistribute for perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.